Hi friends, how are you? I think everybody is fine. Okay, today we are going to learn about the ultrastructure of renal corpuscle. Renal corpuscle consists of Bowman's capsule and that contains glomerulus and mesenterium. This Bowman's capsule contains the glomerulus and mesenterium. This renal corpuscle executes the first step in urine formation. The formation of urine involves three major steps. Number one is ultrafiltration, and the next one is tubular reabsorption, and next is tubular secretion. Ultrafiltration. The first step in urine formation occurs in the renal corpuscle, in which the plasma is differentially filtered to form the tubular fluid. Plasma is differentially filtered to form the tubular fluid in ultrafiltration. This is the initial and important step of urine formation. It considerably contributes to the volumes and composition of urine. What happened in glomerulus? Glomerulus. It is a tuft of capillaries located in the initial dilated cup-like portion of tubule called Bowman's capsule. Glomerulus is formed by the capillaries that arises from afferent arterioles. The glomerular capillaries drain into the afferent arterioles. It starts by afferent arterioles. It drains into the efferent arterioles. Okay guys, and glomerular capillaries are the only capillaries in the body that starts with arterioles and ends in arterioles. The capillaries are covered by the epithelial cells called podocytes, and these capillaries, that is nothing but the glomerulus, is covered by epithelial cells called podocytes. Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule is the initial cup-like dilated portion of the nephron that accommodates glomerulus. And the Bowman's capsule has two layers, visceral layer as well as parietal layer. Visceral layer that remains in contact with glomerulus. I show in diagram also. First listen here. And the parietal layer that forms the outer portion of capsule. Podocytes. Podocytes form the visceral layer of Bowman's capsule, and the visceral layer is formed by the podocytes. Okay, visceral layer is formed by the podocytes, and the parietal layer of Bowman's capsule is formed by the parietal epithelial cells, and the space between the visceral and parietal layers is called Bowman's space. Okay, we see in diagram. This is the afferent arteriole. This is the efferent arteriole. Bowman's capsule arises from the efferent arteriole and forms the glomerulus, and ends are drained into the efferent arterioles. And this glomerulus is covered by epithelial cells called podocytes. You are seen here some cells. And this is the Bowman's capsule. And this is the PCT proximal tubule, and tubular flow. And the first in ultrafiltration, the fluid forms is tubular fluid that flows here. And this is the periatal layer of Bowman's capsule. And next come here in this diagram. This is the afferent arteriole that forms the glomerulus and drain into the efferent arteriole. And this is the visceral layer of Bowman's capsule. And this is the periatal layer of Bowman's capsule. And the space between the visceral as well as the parietal layer forms the Bowman's space. And this is the proximal tubule. Okay guys, and our next topic is filtration barrier that we see in next video. Thank you guys. If you have any doubts, comment me. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.